This is a review of the cameras. So you can see that I have a set of two of them. One is right there and one is right there. You can see they are wired and I have it routed to my garage. You can see right there. And these are, it's 1080p. The quality is really amazing. I can show you about now. So when I go to my phone, there's an app you download and it's pretty much the app. You can see there's two of them and it shows exactly what's monitoring and what's happening. And that's my camera right here, you can see here, and it shows everything. So the night effect of it, and it shows during the day. So this is nighttime, and it's 2 channels, so you can have it set to HD. So when I click on this button right here, it's gonna go to HD, and that's HD mode. The HD mode quality is really amazing. It's high quality, and you can see right here it records every single thing. You can record the footages and every single thing like that. It has a microphone option as well too if you want to talk through it, and it has pretty much a back forward option as well too to go back to your cameras. It's 2 devices, like I mentioned. They are wired as 1080p. The quality is pretty good, and it does the job like what it's intended. So if you're looking for security cameras, I'm going to show you the back side of the garage on how I have it wired up. So I'm in the garage right now, and that's how I have it routed. So in the back of there, you saw on the front, and I have it feeded the wire to here to a extension cord all the way to right there, and it's plugged into right over here. And that's how I have it routed. They are wired cameras, and they don't, the setup that I have is probably not the best setup, but you could do even better than I did. But this setup right here, it doesn't get in the way when I open and close the garage, and it is a good setup to have if you're looking for a security camera that it's pretty fast to install and it's very easy to install. Then this is probably one of the best ones. All I had to do was pretty much drill 2 holes and pretty much put the screws inside, and there you go. And then wherever the best location is to mount it up, that's where I did it. And I have it to my extension cord right here. I would highly recommend these cameras. It's 1080p quality. The quality is really amazing, and I would highly recommend it if you are looking for a new pair of security cameras. Then the outdoor cameras are probably one of the best ones.